made for tap routine is to the song Cake by the Ocean. This is the video where I dance it to the music, so just be warned if there is profanity in the songs, some swear words. So if that's going to be a problem, just watch the tap tutorial alone then. That you can find in the link below in the details of this video, and you can just jump right over to the tap tutorial where I break it down and I dance it without any music. So that's an option for you. Anyway, please enjoy the routine. Greetings. Hello. How are you? Okay, let's see. Ocean. Let's try that. How's it going?